Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, October 24th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis for this morning on the pound dollar, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So in a ways, the pound is gaining a little bit of strength. Technically, we really don't even really have a break of structure on this 1 hour time frame. We got a little bit of a breakdown here, but this is technically a higher low, so that's not really qualified as a break for me. Now, some of the other dollar pairs are looking very strong. If this does go up and break structure, I'm going to be very happy because that will tell me that the wave A or the wave 1 on the daily time frame to the downside is complete, which means that we're most likely going to make a correction to that whole daily time frame move, most likely a wave B or wave 2. But we don't really know for sure that it is going to go up and break structure, do we? So we have to keep aware that this could make 3 waves up to one of these fib levels, really any one of them, and just keep on trending down. The trend is not over until you get that break of structure on the correctly tuned time frame. So for me, the break of structure I'm waiting for to become a buyer is this right here, right around the 1.3073 area. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.